So looks like this the water, the hot water and the cold water valve was very clogged with rust and pieces of, the iron pipe that is carrying the water. So I'm just cleaning this out, and look at that. Oh man, it's pretty bad. All right, so there are these little screens in here that kind of protect all that junk from going inside the washing machine, which is kind of good. So you're getting a little water flow into your washer. It's one of the first things you check before calling an appliance repair guy. Okay, so this is Kerry. Thanks for watching. Hope you might have learned something today.